So welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I am going to be doing the middle part, and how I do that is I just start by sizing it. So I know that the middle part don't need to be too wide, it don't need to be too short. I start looking at the nose. So I just start on each side of the nose and I just start parting it back from there. So as you can see, I have started braiding, and I am using braiding hair. And only thing I'm doing is just braiding it down on the sides, and I'm just going to connect it to the next one. So over here on this side, I'm just going to repeat the same method that I did over here on the other side. And just like I said, I'm just going to be braiding down and tucking into the next one. So I'm going to be placing some of this rose oil in between the braids, so it helps maintain the moisture and the dryness in her scalp, because over time the sewing does tend to get dry and really itchy. So I have started sewing in my wefts, and I just started underneath the braid, and I continued that method throughout the whole process. And my camera did die in the process, and I didn't realize it until I got almost to the end. But I do have a video on how I sew in my middle parts, and it is very detailed, and it is in my last video. So you can check that out for more details on how I do that. So I am at the top, and this takes a little bit more time because I like to sew it in so it's not as humpy, and you can see that in all of my videos that I sew in like that. And I like the method that I have. I take it and I fold it, and I like to stitch it up probably like 3 to 2 times, because it has a tendency to lift when it's on the end of the braid. So yeah, just keep that in mind, and I'm sure most of you have worn sew-ins, and you know that it does tend to lift with on the outside where the edges are at. But yeah, it's time for me to blend the leave out now, and I do put Biosig on her natural hair, so it sits in it a little bit more so I can blend it with the weave. So as you can see, I have did one side and I'm just on to the other side. And so the process is what I do. I spread the Sebastian on the hair, her natural hair first, and then I make one pass through it, or I make like 1 or 2 passes through it, and then I get my bigger flat iron and I go back through it, and I flat iron her natural hair with the sleeve, and then I spread some more Sebastian on that, just so it can blend. So that's the process. It may sound like a lot whenever you see how I do it. It's not gonna be a lot. So yeah, and it will be worth it. And your skin is kind of blurry because by the time I get out, so I didn't have it right away. So now you see how I blended it and it looks really natural. So I did the edges off camera because my camera died once again. Yeah, and I can do a tutorial on that, how I suit my edges. Only thing I do is I part my edges, I come out to the front, and I get my edge control, and I just swoop them back in. And thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. If you have any suggestions or comments, please put them down below, and I will comment back. Thank you.